Hey everyone, welcome back to the FloTool channel. Today we'll be looking at FloTool's 20 quart less mess drain pan. This pan has a capacity of 20 quarts, which makes it the perfect size for flushing your radiator or for large oil changes. The 20 quart less mess drain pan has a large opening with tall sidewalls to tame even the messiest job. This pan also features a textured floor pattern which helps reduce splash when the fluid hits the pan. The built-in fluid level indicators make it easy to track how much fluid is in the pan. The built-in handle and hand grips make this pan easy to maneuver. The integrated pour spout makes it easy to transfer the used fluid into your recycling container. You can now take your recycling container to your local retailer for them to dispose of the fluid properly. Again, thanks for watching, and make sure you visit our FloTool website where you can check out the rest of our products.